It's time for a conceptual aside. This is callbacks. Big word alert. A callback is basically a function that we pass to some other function, and we assume it will be invoked at some point. So the function that we call, the function that we're running, calls back. That is, it invokes the function we give it whenever it's done doing its work or at some point along the way. So basically we've called a function. It's some main primary code that we're running. But when we call that function, we give it some other code to run, another function to run. Now that hasn't been run yet, and that's the callback. And then we're assuming that at some point, the main code is designed to invoke our code, to call our callback. And then that finishes and the primary finishes. So again, this idea exists actually in multiple languages. There is an idea of callback specifically in JavaScript that we'll see later, but we're talking about it generically because we're actually about to see the idea in C and C++ as we talk about libuv. So generically, the concept is a callback is some code you give to other code to be run at some point while that other code is running. All right, we'll see an example soon. Let's keep going.